Are you ready to unlock a whole new dimension of trading insights? Say hello to the Moomoo heatmap. Now imagine having the power to see the status and condition of stocks or industries all in an easy-to-read visual. Moomoo's heatmap is like having heat vision goggles for the market. You get to visualize a truckload of real-time data in a simplistic way. No more deciphering complicated charts and tables. The data is visualized in different levels of green and red to quickly show you what's rising or falling. And with Moomoo's heatmap, you can toggle between parameters like markets, industries, price changes, market cap, time intervals, or turnover. It's like having a treasure map to the trading universe. If you love this feature as much as we do, join our in-app competition and vote for your favorite trading feature and have a chance to win big cash prizes.